le hore mang ke mang ba ngotse bangodi ba bua ba buru ba re Sundowns ke yone ya tsamaileng nako e telele ho Chiefs mme bahlankana ba banyane bo Nikisho ho tswa ho Dynamos o ba tshwaretse lere empa ha o e sheba kgafetsa phala ya molaola papadi ella e sa tswala mme ha ke sheba hape ka boholwanyane ke fumana hore ke papadi ya sekgahla tje ka ha flaga e se tharo
nanso-ke indebe edlalelwayo nje uyibona nje inkulu le ndebe nanso kuqala ungayiba sibona ukuthi abahlehla bafana kuNikisho kulindile uma ingambeni laphana kuza futhi bakhuza ngempela emdlalweni omuhle indlela emangasayo ithuba elikhulu lagoja Msizo lapha Masinga futhi nangu-18 icon nangoke lapha noDick Amapola sibona futhi lapha Manyathi eceleni kwepali ekwakushiwo ukuthi umuntu akalahlwa ndiwubona nje ngempela udlathi Masinga lo nangibheka nje kodwa ithuba elikhulu ngempela nangoke futhi eqhamuka Benito lagoja kakhulu hayi ingozi Masinga olivimba Tambo futhi laphana vimba uplay Vicky Shaw good ball forward for Amakala squares it across Tip Moloteni was the target Anderson directing traffic Nikki Shaw with Chiefs first corner of the game it's drifted in towards Anderson easy for the Sun
dintlha ntse le no toka mahlakoreng a mabedi karolo ke ya pele ya papadi ane bona bo haisale Tshepo Molatedi ha Kevin Lane ane go bonahala a mo fitla ka setsi mme a itia fatshe ka bogabane bona bo haisale le penele o tla go phetha e ba se go go ntse maphike ba hweriana bahlankana ya Duma FNB Tawali ka motsia ka mane lalla
This goal is a real masterpiece of counter-attacking football. Motaung is supposed to be a fullback, but look how well he's got into the penalty area. Brian Below, you can see him thump the ground. He'll feel he should have saved that.
Isaac no isimbona lapho Ike njengamanje ke nangena uChirali nayo ke indaba nanguMasinga offside ngoba lapha na indawo lapha amakhanda zawufuneka lapha Olvinda Bimbo Mark Anderson
offside it is though Chiefs drilling it forward that's knocked on for Amukola that's very great part of our football history Chiefs with their third corner Motaung away on the pitch is a substitute for Manyathi looking to loop it forward falls for Toby left-footed drive well he wasn't far Will Toby is playing in the back four skippering the side but he's certainly working himself into some good shooting positions caption there
ya Sizo Motaung mme Chiefs e bonahala e le tau e angweng ka dinala tse ka Nikisho a leka jwalo empa e mo hlola ho goal kick a le go bona hodimo papading tsa mohope wa roso e hlotse tse ka ba nka huku eno jwalo ha o jile ya bona khomo o tsebe hore o ntso jene ane ya hae ye o e jile ni Ntobi ila ka leka tse ka ntsha serete se se jwalo a le ka ntwentle tse ka a rotlanka tse tha mohlomong o sa emetse dikgetho hore le yena a bona hore ditsamaya jwang Kaizer Chiefs khutlela morao jwalo o khutlela morao e le hore yena mo thuso wa go imela empa ba Sundowns ba o ba imele hakang
dinangu Chelsea Gondwe elifaka ngale lomfana okuthiwa nguMasinga uPhilemon aqashuka ngale uPhilemon donza kakhulu lapho Sizo Motaung ofake igoli lapha angoke futhi qashuka abathwala emankombo namusizo futhi ayingozi lapho Msizo ashaka kakhulu ngaphezulu kwamapali
bench well, that's good strong running oh that's a lovely swerving pass for Masinga Masinga not able to take it in stride. Chirwali! It's not going to be that way. The half-time whistle blows. Mamelodi Sundowns are 1-0 in front in this BP Top 8 Cup final. The goal scored in
izodlala nje izibona ayembala iyalithanda uze umculo lapha ekhaya isiginqe eshawa lenzisana bayahleka bathi hayi lekhaya lapha estadium namba bayaphuma manje labantwana kade bezosijabulisa la ngenkathi nakubona abafana belindele lapha sibone ukuthi ngaso Soweto njengamanje nange thinte lapha lasuka lahlangana njengamanje Benito nangoke lapha futhi Masinga manje offside ngibone mina nangu uTrot Moloto ngoba lapha enda Lucas amakhanda wekho inwele zimile nje entanyeni njengamanje ke nanti ibhola lafumela ngaphandle lithumela
Nyirenda, Mickey Shaw, and Siema Pique. It's a good cross in. Oh, that's going to be a goal! Whitson Nyirenda takes advantage of Mark Anderson's mistake coming off his line. Kaizer Chiefs are level in this cup final. As soon as Anderson came off the line, it looked like trouble off the way, all the way. And the big Zambian. There you see the cross again. Anderson coming way off his line.
Siema Pique elmela lapha umpayintambende nangu shaya eshiwa ibhola uza Watson Nyirenda ladlana
Musa drilling in the free kick. Phil Masinga goes up. Toby beats into it. Shackle. Musa gives it away to Amukola. Amukola still making his way into the penalty area. Has he won a corner? Yes, as much as possible. Molatedi with a corner. Hit deep. Anderson comes through it again. The punch isn't far enough. Toby with a header. Anderson will have to stretch. It's the centre-back position. Nyirenda. Tsepo Molatedi. Oh, that's a good swerving ball for Nicky Shaw. Mark Anderson.
Kamutsugamane kilomita la Chiefs. Waya. Yapata kutoka kwa gol kiwale kahari afapanyitana. Kifitele wa mpato zete. Cheka Masinga ateutewa Leona Joao Zet.
again njengamanje Masinga waiting Masinga siyabona lapha uqisa kadlelwa ke nokho phakathi kwamanje besendiyedwa nokho uyathanda uma yedwa uMasinga nangu Masinga lapha ejilo nangu Masinga ku din line nangu Masinga futhi lapha
1-1 it is. Sizwe Motong and Wetson Nyirenda the goal scorers. Toby with a free kick. Nyirenda again! He was completely unmarked and he made Sundowns pay. Kaizer Chiefs are in front and Sundowns have gifted them a goal. Ecstasy in the stands from the fans wearing
Wenyalo lwabo umbula khona ingamba and nangobe uNyirenda ingani ngwavulile amagoli isegoli kuluhlangothi ngolunyula lwabo kabisa
Nyirenda wota brace ya haye ya tatsila kajeno. Mohopeng ona wa BP. Shome lena lemetso emene. Kenze ikibu antena pesa batlo epata. Kenze Daniel Mutau aibaka taba FNB.
Wenyalo lwabo bheka ukuthi umi kanjani uyandiza emoyeni lamudla ubaloyi ngempela zintanganya zobona nje nabe limenze laphana uma laphana Mutawu laduma phakathi
Nyirenda wins it back. Nicky Shaw. Oh, that's a great ball inside for Kumalo. Dropped off. Great try, yes! Mike Moringa scored. Mike Moringa has put Chiefs ahead. Dr. Kumalo did the spade work.
Hasenanya Nikusho we bapalla ka bohlale ho Dr Khumalo ya alanga Mike Maringa ya sa senye nako lesilo lutlwa le Sundowns 2 ka tla le leng bona mogabane le nako e nkuang ke Chiefs hore ba hlabe
nangu unthi emaphike baphela umdlalo aduma la ithatha ke lapha iSundowns wakhala basePitoli ngamathathu kwamabili nje ukubona lapha nje amagoli ashawe ubonye irenda no Maringa kanye nomtawu ngapha nomtawu